Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a full review of OneVideo AI, most powerful AI video models app collection. Is it really worth your time and money, or is it just another overhyped AI tool? I've tested it out, dug into the features, pros and cons, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly if this is the right choice for you. So make sure to stick around, you don't want to miss this one. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more honest reviews just like this. We get paid every time someone runs, downloads, or resells your AI-powered videos, just like top video creators earning on autopilot. Here's how we create scroll-stopping AI videos using the world's most powerful video ace, in under 2 minutes. World's first cloud-based AI surcharged with world's premium and #1 trending AI video model AI apps in a single dashboard. Imagine having lifetime access to the world's most powerful AI video apps, from Google Veo to Kling, Luma, and more, in one seamless cloud-based dashboard, with no monthly fees ever. Sounds powerful? It gets better. Not only can you create unlimited videos for yourself, you can resell access and charge clients monthly to use your very own OneVideo AI platform. This isn't just a tool, it's a video income engine. Perfect for agencies, video creators, freelancers, and marketers who want to scale fast and sell high-ticket video services on autopilot. Join thousands who are now getting paid to give clients access to premium AI video tools, with zero limits. Ready to build your own AI video empire? Start with OneVideo AI, and never pay monthly fees again. And charge clients any amount to access the world's most advanced AI video tools, all from one smart dashboard. Revolutionary, world's most leading premium video AI app collection in a single dashboard with zero monthly fees. Look, AI video is taking over the internet. And the smartest creators, agencies, and marketers are cashing in by using next-gen AI video models to produce viral content at lightning speed. So, why is OneVideo AI a total game changer? Instantly access the world's most advanced AI video apps, like Google Veo, Kling, Luma Dream Machine, Hyper, Stable Video Diffusion, Minimax, Mochi, Hunyuan and more. Create anything: cinematic 4K videos, viral reels, short ads, animated explainers, branded content, using just one simple prompt. It's faster, smarter, and 1000x more scalable than doing it manually, no editing skills or experience needed. Save hours daily, create content in any language, and sell your videos for 100% profit, with zero monthly fees. In short, OneVideo AI is the ultimate income weapon for creators, agencies, freelancers and entrepreneurs who want to lead the AI video revolution. But the real question is, are you riding the AI video wave? Or will you watch others go viral, land clients and print cash while you're still stuck editing videos the old school way? Don't wait. Start using OneVideo AI today, and unlock the future of content creation. That comes along with buying complex AI apps blocking your path and hampering your business, sales, and growth. Buying AI video model apps and tools cost a shit ton of money monthly. Buying AI video model tools and services costs a shit ton of money every month, and you will end up paying non-stop. Using top AI video tools separately will drain your wallet. Monthly subscriptions can stack up fast, and you'll pay over $2,500/year just to access what OneVideo AI gives you for life. So, with all these challenges and difficulties, there is no doubt why most of the marketers and business owners give up while burning their pockets in the process. Access the world's most advanced AI video app collection from a single dashboard with zero monthly fees for lifetime. In today's video-obsessed world, brands, businesses and influencers are desperate for fast, engaging, studio-quality content. But they don't have the time, skills, or budget. That's where you come in, backed by OneVideo AI. Generate cinematic 4K videos, viral reels, explainer animations and VFX scenes in seconds using elite tools, no editing skills required. Sell videos to clients, agencies, YouTubers and brands for $100, $1,000 plus each, and keep 100% of the profits. Build your own AI video agency, subscription service, or freelance empire, all powered by OneVideo AI. No subscriptions. No rendering delays. No limits. Just pure AI video creation power, and a proven path to real profits. Don't wait. This is your shot to build a business around the future of content. With OneVideo AI, you hold the keys to an entire AI-powered video empire, starting today. So that's my honest review. I hope this helped you decide if it's the right fit for you. If you're ready to check it out for yourself, I've dropped the link in the description below, and yes, that link includes some special bonuses you won't find anywhere else. If you got value from this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more reviews just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.